Welcome to the fourth tutorial, and today we're going to be making a running cat that bounces off the walls. Well, here's our cat, and here's how when flags click. So we're going to make lots of key press commands, and key press commands as you see here. Whenever a key is pressed, it'll do something. So whenever a key is pressed, and we'll just make it go left and right. When the left arrow key is pressed, move 10 steps. They're not 10 steps, minus 10 steps. So it goes in the correct direction. Now, because we haven't programmed the right one yet, so we better do that. So we just right click and press the duplicate button and make it full right arrow key. Right arrow key. So move 10 steps. So he's already moving to side, and that's nice and all. But we can always fly off the screen. And do we want to fly off the screen? Unfortunately, we don't. So let's fix that. So when the green flag thing's being pressed, we want it to. Strange how that's. It's not meant to work at the moment. What we can do is that we can make it if on each bounce. So, watch. Now, the reason why it is only bouncing when we press the green flag because we made a mistake. It says if on each bounce, but we're in the green flag. So when the left arrow is pressed, we'll also make it check if it's on the edge. And we at that moment we don't need that. See? So here's our cat, and it's running around and doing some fun, strange things, but we want a bit more than that, don't we? Well, in a way, we do. We want it. Why don't we have it running? So, we're going to use a lot of new code here to make it run, and we're going to use costumes. So it's going to go like, and we can make it go like this. So it makes it look like it's jogging. So we really don't need this. Let's chuck it away. So when the left arrow key is first, we also want it when it moves. Change next costume and next costume. Now she'll start on costume 1. We'll call this part 1. And the other part, the other costume, running part 2. Space there, don't we? Space. And we're going to call this the cat. Gosh. This cat is. And now I've got this cat, and it is it seems that it's either running very fast by the looks of us. And that's almost it. But we're going to do one more thing. We're going to make a racetrack for it. Well, it's sort of a racetrack. We're going to draw our own. So stage, background, edit. And this is going to be, so here's the thing where you can make your own things, and we're going to fill this up with red. Yes, and we just want to make a nice white line through it. white line, or white line. And we'll just put a checkered flag in. Apparently not a very good checkered flag, but a checkered flag nonetheless. When you're drawing your own things, it can get a little difficult. But so we want black now. And we have a flag background. And we've got this cat running on a line. It looks absolutely hilarious with a funny checkered flag on the top. Okay? Alright, if you didn't understand most of this, don't worry, we'll go through it again in later tutorials. And then it won't be long till I'll do a whole tutorial on how to use those painting tools. But for now, goodbye.